What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lork from the Money Etiquette Group here to talk Disney Plus news. I'm talking about the Mandalorian. I'm talking about how many people have signed up for the service. We're going to talk about the stock. Everything Disney Plus we're going to go over right now because we need to talk about not only how well they're doing and how well the Mandalorian series is doing and Disney Plus the app is doing, but also what's going on with the stock. What's the result since November 12th through today in the stock? Has it gone up? Has it gone down? Have people been able to take advantage of the opportunities that were presented based on something obvious? The people who aren't scared. But nevertheless, let's get straight into the Mandalorian. The Mandalorian right now, according to Parrot Analytics, is the highest in-demand show in television. And I'm talking about globally. I'm not just speaking about the United States, and I'm not speaking about just markets within the U.S. I'm talking about globally. It's the #1 show, surpassing Stranger Things. So this is bigger than traditional network television shows. This is bigger than any stream show. This is the most in-demand show we've seen in streaming. And we'll see if they keep it up at this pace. They may be the highest or most in-demand show of 2019, which says a lot, being that the show just premiered in November. So we'll see what happens with that. What does that mean? It just means that a lot of people are using the app and a lot of people love The Mandalorian. Will people continue to like it or love it? We'll see. Will it surpass the popularity of Game of Thrones? It looks like it's likely, but we'll see. We'll have to wait and see. Some other news that came out of Disney about Disney Plus is that their subscribership has not dropped off since the initial ending of the 7-day free trial periods for those who signed up on November 12th. So we've seen several 7-day trial periods expire, but that hasn't caused a decrease in subscribers. So that means that people are keeping their subscriptions beyond the trial period. When it first started, the first day, I think they did about 3 million subscribers. Okay, they signed up 3 million or 3.5 million subscribers. As of 2 days ago, they're at 15.5 million subscribers. And they're growing at a rate right now of 1 million subscribers per day. So they're doing great. Of course, we know that a good percentage of that, it's Verizon customers, people who got it for free for a year. Of course, they're not going to cancel, but nevertheless, they're growing, and this is going beyond just the Verizon customer base. So it looks like Disney Plus is doing great in terms of growth, and ultimately, that's what they should do. It's new. If they did anything less, it would be a failure. So it's good to see for those who love Disney Plus, for those who love Disney and are supporters or fans of Disney Plus, it looks like it's doing well. Also, if you haven't noticed, if you haven't been paying attention, new content is being added daily when it comes to Disney Plus. It started off with a limited amount of content, about 500 shows, I think 800 total pieces of content between the shows and movies. But nevertheless, they're growing each day. And December is a big month in terms of shows that are going to premiere and movies that will premiere on Disney Plus. If you're a fan of the Star Wars series, obviously we know that the movie's coming out on the 20th. Yeah, December 20th, we're going to get The Rise of Skywalker. But also on the 26th, for Star Wars fans, you'll get The Last Jedi. Star Wars The Last Jedi will be available December 26th. For those who have been waiting for Thor Ragnarok, okay, they're big Thor fans, that's going to be available December the 5th. So as of this video posting, it should be available. Also, they've started a new series, One Day at Disney, which is kind of a documentary to show like the behind the scenes. I think they follow like 70 different employees through Disney parks and at different positions in Disney, whether it's production at studios or it's just working at the parks or it's just working in some other capacity. It's an interesting story because how often have we been able to see the behind the scenes stories, the behind the scenes workings of Disney? That's available, and that's going to be available as of December the 6th. Also coming late in December will be the movie Togo, which is about the 1925 or 26 famous dog sledding race that took place in Alaska. That's going to be available. A lot of people are fans of those type of movies when it involves animals, it involves racing. It's a kind of a good feel-good story. That's going to be available December 20th. I believe it's in theaters on the 13th, but a week later it will be on the Disney Plus platform. So that's what's coming. It's a lot coming in December, even more coming in January. So that's something you should look forward to. But the real substance behind this video, okay, what's really important about all this information is you have to sit back and think for a second. Just think to yourself. If you knew ahead of time, which most of us did, that Disney Plus was launching November 12th, right? We knew there was going to be a bunch of hype behind it. We knew that it was going to go out to Verizon customers for free. They released that information before it launched. So they were guaranteed a certain amount of success. We knew there was going to be a 7-day trial, free trial period for people that signed up. So we knew that that would cause immediate success. This had success written all over it, right? Now, if we look at the stock price from November 12th through today, you'll see that, I know it's fluctuating a bit, but the stock, I'm talking about Disney stock, has gone up $10 a share, or about 15%. So let's do the math really quickly. If you decided to put $1,000 into Disney, right? And I'm talking November 12th, when you knew the launch was going to happen, you knew all this good information was going out, you knew it was going to be successful in the short term. If you would have had $1,000 into Disney stock, right now you will be $100 richer. Is that life-changing? No. But it's free. You didn't have to be a stock guru to win. You didn't have to be a genius to win. You didn't have to be some type of great stock strategist to win. Sometimes when it comes to the stock market, when it comes to investing in a company and seeing opportunities, guys, there are opportunities that present themselves that are just can't miss opportunities. This was a can't miss opportunity to make money in the short term. So yeah, okay. For some people, yeah, I don't have $1,000. Okay, if you had $100, okay, and you made 10 from it, it's 10 more dollars than you had. So, and now shares are more valued at more than $100 a share. I'm just putting that out as numbers, as a theoretical situation. If you just bought one share for your $130 and then you got it to 148, you made $10. Great. These little opportunities present themselves, and when it comes to being a fan of Disney, of these different companies, look for opportunities. When you see a lot of hype behind it, when you see a lot of good coming out, look for opportunities to win on the investment side while you enjoy the entertainment side. You can be a customer and an investor at the same time. You can be a fan and an investor at the same time. The Mandalorian, if you knew that was going to take off, who didn't think that series wasn't going to take off? Will it last for 5 to 6 years? I don't know. But in the immediate, was it going to take off? Yes. Was Disney Plus, the app, going to take off? Yes. These are obvious answers. And what I'm challenging you guys to do in 2020, if you're not already doing it, is to look for those opportunities and don't fear making a small investment, even if you only gain $10, even if it's only 20, 30, 40, 50. Hey, some of you might just have 10,000 laying around and you can make 1,000. You could have made a lot of money. Or a little bit of money. But the point is, you could have made money, period. Don't be afraid to invest. Don't just look at Disney Plus as an opportunity to be entertained. Yes, they're providing good content. They're doing great in the streaming wars. The streaming wars is awesome. But don't hesitate on making side bets on the streaming wars by saying, okay, you know what, HBO Max, that's going to launch next year. HBO and their parent company stock might go up in the short term because they're bringing on more subscribers. Apple TV already rolled out. You know, NBC, Universal, whatever is coming out in 2020. This whole thing behind streaming wars. Make money off the streaming wars. Even if it's $10, don't be afraid. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you invested and took advantage of that opportunity. Also, let me know if you are enjoying The Mandalorian, if you enjoy the content that's on Disney Plus, or you feel like, you know, it's quite disappointing, but you're going to give it more time. So far, the numbers show that people are sticking with it and people believe in the platform, and we'll see continued growth probably through 2020, 2021, 2022. I don't see this slowing down for several years. We'll see if it does, but let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. Turn on your notifications. You never know when we're going to drop another video about Disney Plus, or we're going to talk about stocks and finance. It's all tied in together. Remember, entertainment and money-making opportunities are tied together. They're not separate. Anyway, I appreciate your time. Enjoy the content.